Welcome back. Apparently my phone updated and installed a new game on it. So we're going to see what it is. It's Art something. I forget the name of it. It is Art. Come on. I don't know what this is. Okay, well I have to put something there. I'm assuming it's not. I'm assuming it's the lettering since they're pointing at it. Yeah, and I'm assuming the moon goes where the moon and the... Yeah, let's see. I don't know what any of this has to do with it. Can we put this here? And the candle and the window, I guess. Okay. Well, is that all we got to do? Slide stuff, shapes to where they go, items and shapes. Okay, let's see. Let's press continue and see what we got here. Okay, I guess that's just the first one that we got to solve however many of them. Let's try this one. If they're going to give you clues every time, that wouldn't be any good. Okay, well, we can assume the chair is right there. Then we can assume, I don't even know what this red thing is. Is that a hat? A toboggan? No, that's not. I don't know what that is. Oh, look, I can slide. So I'm assuming that goes up there. What is this red thing? Oh. Okay, so yeah, we got to figure out where this stuff goes. Wow. Well, it looks like part of the crack. I don't know. Let's get the rug in place. That's an obvious one. Maybe you don't use some of them, is what it is. I don't know what that accomplished. Maybe we're supposed to figure out which item best goes there. And we have a selection to go through. So now I've probably messed up and gave the lady and her cold baby a... Let's see, this looks like it goes there, yeah. Maybe I gave her a busted window because I'm a meanie head. It don't go on the wood burning stove? I guess not. That looks almost like it goes up there, but... Let's give her some socks or booties, whatever. No? I mean... You're supposed to... Well... I'm supposed to patch the window here with this. That goes there, I bet. It fits there, but it just don't want to go for me. What are you doing? I'm trying to... I don't know where that would go. What is this? A shawl, like something to cover up in. Well, she can't use that. She's just going to freeze to death. That's, I mean, the best I can figure. This doesn't go there because it doesn't even fit right. Oh, there it is. I knew I saw it somewhere. So now I guess I can put the fire logs in it. No, you have to do it in a certain order, I guess. So now it looks like that shawl or blanket I can put there. And her booties. I don't even know where that blanket is. Oh, there it is. Oh, I don't know. Oh, look. That has a line around it now. So does the other one. I don't see a plume of smoke. Oh, maybe that's not smoke. Maybe that's the other vents to take it outside. That would make more sense. Okay. Well, let's get her. I don't know. What does she want? And cover up the baby. It won't be cold then, eh? I still don't even know what this is. It's not a fire, is it? Oh, I was putting it in the wrong place. Durr. And look, now she's got the fire lit and everything. And now more stuff is available for me to. Really, I'm decorating her house. This does not seem like a very awesome game. I don't know. Maybe it's your thing. I don't know. That looks like it may go there. Almost threw my phone on the ground. Oh, look, the table can finally go up. I was right about where it goes. Just it didn't have it exactly lined up. So yeah, that does go over the hole. I was only guessing. Ah, that's a like light shade, a lamp shade. And now she's got friggin' cats and yarn all over and she's happy. I don't even know who lit the fire. But whatever. So apparently that's how you play this art game, art puzzle or whatever, been installed on many of the Androids. So let's see if I can find the name. Oh, hey, my phone's on this. Anyway, I'm playing offline, ain't I? Yep, playing offline. So that's how you play it. We're new to this, but now we know. I guess that one, this first one, oh, look, you can tap it and restart it or view. So I guess that was the example, but it didn't give a good example of, how it was going to change and have you add more stuff. But I did see on this one, it said like 21 down here, 0 of 21 in the bottom right corner. And as I added them, it started counting up towards that 21. So I guess I should have known it was just 21 items. Oh, 14% left on my phone, which is plenty. But anyway, maybe that'll help somebody out. I'm not going to do any more. That's not my kind of thing. But hopefully it helps someone out. Stay blessed and click like. Even if you don't like the game, or even if you love the game, click like.